Manual tasks and guesswork stall deals. Sales AI unlocks insights and scales your team, driving productivity, accelerating decisions, and closing deals faster. Scale every seller with agents that identify and prioritize the right prospects based on real-time data. Then autonomously engage with personalized outreach and book meetings directly on your reps' calendars. Before every meeting, agents prepare sellers with full account context, competitive insights, and tailored talking points. Then update opportunities automatically, keeping pipeline accurate without manual work. Close deals faster with AI that captures the context of every conversation and surfaces the insights sellers need to take action: deal risks, buyer signals, next steps. Follow-up emails are drafted the moment a meeting ends, and managers gain real-time visibility into rep performance to improve deal win rates. Accelerate decision-making with deal insights and recommended actions in the flow of work. Activity heat maps and AI deal summaries flag risks early, so sellers always know where to focus. And predictive forecasting gives leaders clear insight into where the quarter will land. Drive growth across the sales cycle with AI-powered planning that ensures optimal sales coverage. And equip every partner seller with the intelligence and self-service support they need to win. With Sales AI, sellers are more productive, make faster decisions, and close more deals. To get started, visit salesforce.com/sales.